Do you want an easy way to generate signals on your oscilloscope? The MXO 5 series oscilloscopes feature an integrated 2-channel waveform generator. Use the generator as a source for a variety of wave shapes to produce up to 2 different signals at once, or create a differential signal from the 2 single-ended generator signals. Let's take a look. The generator is producing a 100 MHz sine wave. Click on the generator icon to adjust parameters of frequency, amplitude, and offset. Change the waveform function type, and add additional characteristics like modulation. Unlock the full potential of signal generation with the MXO 5 series oscilloscopes. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.